Hey everyone, so in the previous lesson we have talked about anchor tags and IMG tags, and in this lesson we are going to talk about ordered lists and unordered lists. So let's get started. So let's first talk about unordered lists. So what exactly does it mean by unordered list? Let's split the words. Unordered list. So which is a list that is unordered. So let's see how it looks like. So it looks like this on the screen. So chocolate cake, black forest cake, pineapple cake. So this is an unordered list. It is called unordered because it do not have an order, which means we are not using numbers 1, 2, 3, and we do not have a count of all the things that are present inside this list. So that's called an unordered list. And this is an example of an unordered list. We'll look at this in our Visual Studio Code. So this is the document that we have been working with previously. So let's see how to add a list inside our website. So let's make a h3 tag saying this is a list of food items. So now in order to open a list, it might be unordered list or ordered list. So if it is an unordered list, you have to type in UL saying it is an unordered list. Okay. So inside this UL, you have to use a tag that mentions a list element, okay, which is called as LI. Okay, so LI takes the name of the list element. So let's suppose say we have to add something called as chocolate cake. Let's click OK, and let's go back to our web browser. So as you can see, chocolate cake has shown up, and so this is an unordered list, and the first list item is chocolate cake. So let's add another 2 items to our food items. Let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. So let's add another list item. Let's name it scotch cake. So let's go back to our website. So as you can see, another item shown up. So that's how you create an unordered list inside your website. For now, the real purpose of unordered list is not shown to you, but there are a lot of use cases of using this unordered list inside your website. Let's suppose say you are making a business site and you want to tell the viewers of your business site you have to sell a product on your web page. So for that, you mention all of the features of this particular product inside your website, and for that you need to use this unordered list. Very much helpful at that point of time. So let's see how to create an ordered list inside your website. So an ordered list, something looks like this. So as you can see, it has numbers. All right, it has an order. So this is an example of how an ordered list looks like. So let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and implement this. So we are here. So let's create another h3 tag saying this is a ordered list. So let's open an ordered list. So OL stands for ordered list and UL stands for unordered list. So let's make an ordered list. So let's open a list item. So as you can see, it's the same. Whenever you wanted to open a list item, you have to type in LI. It's the same for unordered list or ordered list. You just have to remember for ordered list, it is OL, and for unordered list, it's UL. It's so simple. Okay. So after opening a list tag, just type in, let us suppose say burger. Let's add another one. Another list called pizza. Okay, click save, go back to our website. So as you can see, an ordered list has shown up, burger and pizza. So there are a lot of use cases of this lists in our websites. For suppose if you go on to amazon.com and if you click on any product, be it any product, come on. So as you can see here, they have used list. Okay, the same that we have used over here, unordered list. So they have used unordered list. Right. So there are many use cases of this list in our upcoming website. So if we practice more and more, you will understand. So that's it with learning and understanding ordered and unordered lists, guys. I'll see you in the next one.